You know, when I was 242 pounds and I still have about 60 more pounds to lose, I think about me walking right now and how much fullness I have, how much love I have for nature, and how much I love life. And I am out here and I breathe in, I breathe out, and I just take that breath, and I feel like it is such a blessing just to have that one breath, to be able to feel the calmness, the peaceful of these woods. And I think back of when I was 242 pounds and how empty I felt. I didn't feel that back then at all. I mean, I was just existing. That's what I was doing. And it's sad to think that, but it took me to get fed up and really think about what road I was heading down. I mean, I was heading down a very lonely, unfulfilled road. And if you're there where I was, there is a way out of this. And I know sometimes people think there is no way out of this. I've gotten too far. I've gotten too overweight. I'm not there. You have to dig deep within yourself. You have it in you. I know you do. I know you do. The fulfillment that I am, the peaceful, everything this makes me come out here every day. The way I feel at this very, very moment, I just feel so blessed that I get to actually walk. Because about 5 years ago, I was headed down the road with spinal injuries that I was not able to walk. And back then, I knew it wasn't going to be good. I knew. And it's almost like you have to take your life and you have to like put it in this little bubble and say, this is all I have. And spinal injuries, or not injuries, but things that I have actually grew up with, which I didn't know my spine was that bad. My neck specifically, I have scoliosis as well, on top of everything else. So being able to get out here and be so blessed to even just walk, move my arms. I got to the point where I couldn't even lift my arm. I couldn't move my neck. And those of you that have neck surgery, you know exactly, or back surgery, you know the pain that you are going in, the struggle of every day, and then the worry of what the future holds for you. Now, I was blessed to get the best surgeon that I could possibly get in our area, and he has fixed me. But he didn't fix the emptiness that I had inside. He didn't fix that, of course. You know, so you've got to find something that you love, and day in, day out, get out and do something that you love. You know, even if it's at home, if you're a homebody, like I'm a homebody, believe it or not, I am. I love to be at home. I love to spend time with my son. I love things again. I didn't have that before. And I think just existing is just not good enough for me. So I had to say, you know what I mean? I had to get fed up and say, okay, there's a way out of this. I've got to find a way out of this. So I got the surgery. I recovered. It took about a year to recover. And then I started walking again and gradually doing that. You know what I mean? And getting out there is just one thing. But it made me realize how much I missed. I missed the nature. I missed life. And believe me, it was like a good almost 20 years of just not feeling anything. Just going day in and day out, breathing in, breathing out, because I had to live. But that's not living. I'm telling you, it's not living. So if you're at home right now, you're on the couch, you're on your chair, and you're just feeling like, this is it. This is all I have. I'm existing until I die. That's not life. That's not living. You know what I mean? It's not life. So I encourage you to take my story and me being on here, take it as it is, and just take it and let that motivate you. Please let that motivate you, because I know how it feels to be lonely, just existing, just surviving almost to a point. Actually, that's exactly what I was doing. I was surviving. And you get to the point where you're like, this can't be all there is. This can't be it. It isn't. It isn't. You guys, you have this. I believe in you. It takes courage to come out of something like that. Have a great day.